Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about how to fix a rate limit exceeded. Please wait a few moments, then try again error on your Twitter on your iPhone. So let's get started without wasting of your time. So the very first thing what you need to do is just you have to go back to your home screen, and then from here what you need to do is just here launch App Store on your device, and then here in the search bar search for the Twitter, and if any update for the Twitter is available, then what you need to do is just you have to up to date. If there is no update and you are facing the problem again and again, then go for the next method. For that what you need to do is just go back to your home screen, and then open up your settings app on your device, and scroll it below and tap on general, and after that tap here on iPhone storage. And here what you need to do is just you have to upload the app. So look at here Twitter, like here you can see here it is, and here is the option of upload app. So what you need to do is just upload app and then reinstall it again, and hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. And if this trick also doesn't work for you, then just go back, and what you need to do is just you have to uninstall your Twitter app from here. So from here remove the app and then reinstall it again, and hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. And if you are facing again and again this problem, then go for the next method. For that what you need to do is just your launch settings app on your device. If any software update is available on your iPhone, then what you need to do is just you have to up to date your device to the latest version. So after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's tutorial. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any problem let me know in the comment box. I will help you more. Thanks for watching.